Hello students, I hope you have revised your previous sounds. So today we start our next sound. Open your English reader book at page number 18. This is a sound of O with silent E. Let's start. M, O, mo. When R comes after O, its sound is A. Now I speak again. M, O, mo. D, O, z, doze. When S with E, its sound is Z. I speak again. D, O, z, doze. P, O, z, pose. S, O, so. K, O, core. H, O, z, hose. R, O, z, rose. N, O, z, nose. T, O, n, tone. Sh, O, show. SX says sh. So I speak again. Sh, O, show. So revise it at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.